Together we are Earl, Ashley, and Nika. This flight will take 1 hour. Put your seat upright, ensure your seatbelt is securely fastened, store tray table, and open your window shade. Kindly switch off all electronic devices or put it in flight mode. Smoking and vaping are strictly prohibited. E-cigarettes are to be switched off and batteries removed. Charging and usage of e-cigarettes are strictly prohibited. Thank you.
Ba't ang nagtatayo? Kasi alis tayo. Balikan tayo sa mga.